Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can kind of see, but like first off, like let's just excuse my lash because this one looks like, hey, what's up girl? And this one looks like, hey, like I'm a lazy eye, you know, like is not helping my lazy eye out at all. So let's just excuse that. Alright guys, so we're just going to start right off by, brushing out my eyebrow with the spoolie. I like to do this because I always do my brows last, so all my powders and stuff could have possibly gotten into them. So I just take my spoolie and kind of brush them out, make them look bushy as possible. I'm going to go in with this little eyebrow brush. I cleaned all my brushes yesterday, so woo woo, they all clean. But I'm going to take this one. It is very, very thin, and it's like real pointy, so it's really good for an eyebrow brush. And I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Dipbrow in the shade Dark Brown. Now this one I feel is a hint too light for me. I feel like I should use the Ebony one, but I'm just going to use this to outline the bottom, so it's not really that big of a deal. I obviously need to get a new one, but I just take my brush and just kind of like... Now I'm just going to take that and I'm going to just kind of map out my brow basically. I used to do my whole brow with the pomade, but I recently started liking a kind of feathered look. So, and I'll just take it, kind of do like that. So I'm going to mention another brow product that I have been using. This is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill. So this is the dark brown one, and honestly I love this one. It is super feels like just waxy really, but it really fills in the brows for a quick natural look if that's something you're looking for. This one I would definitely recommend. And this was an accidental pickup, so I'm like cool, whatever, it works. But, however, recently I have been using the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the shade Ebony. So being that this one is Ebony, I feel like I should have the Ebony pomade. That just makes sense. But I've been using this one because, again, I just have been liking more of a kind of natural brow. I usually start right about here. And I just make a little line so you can see where it's going. And then I just kind of draw inwards, going into my brow. And then I kind of take it out. Kind of take it out and create an arch. Because my brows are so weird. They I don't know how to explain it. It's really looking really sparse right here, and I do have a sparse area, but it's really not that bad. But on camera it looks super bad, it looks real sparse, and I'm like, girl, I'm drawing them little hairs. How is that possible? But so after that's done, after I've created my arch and just kind of went over it a couple times, giving me some little hair strokes, I like to go in the front of my brow and just kind of lightly, slightly do little brow hairs right up here, because this area always looks really sparse and it's kind of annoying, but my hairs just don't grow right there. And I just continue to do that, and this is my bad brow and this is my good brow, and on camera it's still looking like trash. Dang, get my life together. But my life is together. My brow looks good in person. I don't understand. So then I'm just going to take my brow, the spoolie on the brow pencil, and just kind of go back and forth like this just to kind of distribute that. And that's what we're working with right now. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with the Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous concealer, and I believe this is in the shade Light. It doesn't say on the bottle anywhere, but I believe it is. And I'm going to take that on like a synthetic flat brush, and I'm just going to kind of lightly carve my brows, but just to carve them, not to like define them, just to carve them. And then I'm just going to take my finger and kind of blend it in with the concealer in with my finger, just because like I don't want it to be just like a line, you feel me? Then after that is done, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I was using the, oh shucks, what was it called? I was using the Gimme Brow by Benefit, the little trial size one, but I ended up going back to my Anastasia one just because I felt like it was actually setting my brows and making them stay longer. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of the video. That is how I do my brows. I like to cut that out just because it takes me a long time, because I like to sing and dance when I'm doing makeup, so I get distracted and it takes forever. That's why I always cut my brows out of all my videos. But that is how I do them. If you have any other recommendations for brows, let me know, because literally I've had this for almost 2 years and I still use it. I recently got the Brow Wiz. I'm just now using this. But if you guys have any other recommendations, please let me know in the comments so I can definitely try them out. But as for now, that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you later. Peace out, gangsters and wannabe wanksters.